a boho style using Dixie Belle Paint Products and Would You Bend. White Lightning is a powder-based cleaning agent that you can disperse into water. I put mine into a reusable spray bottle, spray my item, wipe back, and then mist again with water to make sure it's rinsed thoroughly. Pixie Belle's Mud is amazing for creating textured stencils or repairing any missing woodwork. I like to use this on all my missing veneer issues. I apply it with a spatula, wait until dry, and then sand back to flat. It comes in 3 colors, black, white, and brown. Would You Bend moldings are bendable, stainable, heatable moldings. You flip them upside down, heat the back with either a hair dryer or a hot air gun. Once it's warm, you're able to bend and manipulate your piece to be bent around any sort of curve or leg or front of the piece. Let's go over some simple instructions for using Would You Bend moldings. Flip your Would You Bend molding upside down. Use your heat gun or hair dryer to apply heat to the back of the molding. This will then allow the molding to become bendable and shapeable. You then will apply your wood glue to the back of the Would You Bend molding. Apply your Would You Bend molding to the surface or area where you are putting it onto your piece. You can use your heat gun then to make sure that it is adhered properly, nice and flat to the surface. You may use tape to make sure that it's held in place, but as soon as it's on and dry, you're ready for paint. Boho effect will require many different layers of paint. I like to start in the middle with the lightest color, pulling out towards the edges for darker colors. I then wait until dry and build my layers of paint on top of the piece. Using a spray misting bottle filled with water, as well as paper towels, I can work on small sections, building the layers of paint. Putting the paint on, spraying, and taking it off also creates a beautiful texture. Using Moonshine Metallics, I dragged them across the piece, as well as sprayed it and dripped it down the front. Using the new Royal Damask stencil, I applied multiple colors that I used on the chest in a faded pattern on the front as well as the top.